Hello students, I am your Z sir, welcoming you in the new part with a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, ratio and proportion. Today we are going to start with what is ratio, then after we will understand proportion when we come to the next exercise. So the exercise number we are starting is 12.1. Clear students? So before starting this exercise, let me introduce with what is ratio. So comparison of two quantity. Here we have to compare the two quantity. कोई भी quantity हो सकती है, ठीक है? In terms of how many times. किसकी टर्म्स में आपको क्वांटिटी मेजर करनी है? इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, कितने टाइम से, पहले वाले से कितने टाइम ज्यादा है, पहले वाले से कितने टाइम दूसरा वाला कम है, उस हिसाब से उससे हम बोलेंगे रेशियो. इन रेशियो द क्वांटिटीज व्हिच वी आर टेकिंग should be have same unit. For example, first unit we are taking is meter, the second should be meter. First one is centimeter, then second one is also in centimeter. Second condition is that we can use with the same type only. For example, if I am asking about school, I say that there are 25 students there are total in class, there are 40 students. Okay, in there 20s are boys and 20 are girls. 20 boys है और 20 girls है, तो मतलब सेम चीज के लिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं, मतलब क्या है, दोनों स्टूडेंट के ही है, ठीक है. हम रेशियो देखेंगे कि लड़के कितने और लड़कियां कितनी है, उसे हम बोलेंगे रेशियो. तो अब मैं ऐसा बोलूं कि टेक द रेशियो ऑफ बॉयज टू गर्ल्स, बॉयज 2 आया, TO2 गर्ल्स, दैट मींस यू हैव टू टेक 20 डिवाइड बाय 20, दैट मींस यू गेट योर प्रोपोर्शन 1:1. नाउ वन थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड दैट द सिंबल फॉर द रेशियो इज जेम. इसको आप जेम में दिखा सकते हो, डबल डॉट, ठीक है. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम 5:4, अगर 5:4 लिखा है, दैट मीन्स यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, 5 डिवाइड बाय 4 इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. This is the main form, that is ratio. This is called a gem, and you can now modify this in 5 divided by 4. Clear students? Now moving on to the exercise number 12.1. ये इतना समझ में आ गया ना आपको? मैं ही करता हूँ, हमेशा पढ़ाने से पहले आपको एक ओवरव्यू दे देता हूँ कि इसमें कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन आएंगे, किस हिसाब से क्वेश्चन आएंगे, तो आपको बहुत इजी हो जाएगा समझने के लिए, ठीक है. अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे हम, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 12.1. आप फिर टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर क्वेश्चन पढ़ लीजिए तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. देयर आर 20 गर्ल्स एंड 15 बॉयज इन ए क्लास. देयर आर 20 गर्ल्स. क्वेश्चन 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 12.1, दैट इज girls and here will be a boys. Okay, how many girls? 20. how many boys? 15. अगर मैं टोटल निकालूं तो टोटल कितना होगा? 20 + 15 होगा. एक क्लास में 20 गर्ल्स है और 15 बॉयज है, तो टोटल कितने होंगे? 35. ऐसे निकाल लिया, आपको भी निकाल लेना है टोटल दिया हो तो, ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ, नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स टू द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज. वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स टू नंबर ऑफ बॉयज. 2 आया ना बीच में, दैट मीन्स ए क्या लिखा है, नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स to number of boys. They ask like this, ratio of number of girls to number of boys. That means girls, first of all you have to write girls, then after divide by 2 के बाद क्या है, boys दिए तो यहाँ पे boys लिख दो. Okay, now girls is 20, so I will write 20. Boys is 15, I will write 15. After that you have to see 15 किसके टेबल में आता है? 50 is in 3 5s are 15. Okay, now dividing this 20 with 5, So 5 4s are 20. That means I will cut 5, then I will cut 20. I will write here 4. So 5 4s are 20. Now it is not cuttable. Cut नहीं हो सकता. So I will write remaining numbers. That is 4 divided by 3. That means I can write in proportion. That is 4, which is in up. I will write here, and JM and 3 will be on right side. So this is my first A answer. Now coming on to B. What is the ratio of girls? Ratio of girls. So ratio of girls मतलब number of girls to TO2, the total number of student in the class. तो अच्छा हुआ ना, हमने total number of student फाइंड कर लिए यहाँ पे. So यहाँ पे लिखना है, डिवाइड करना है किससे? total number of student. Clear students? So what is our girls? How many girls we have? We will write here and divide by total student. We had already find the total number of student in class. तो आपको फाइंड कर ही लेना है हमेशा. तो गर्ल्स आर 20 डिवाइड बाय हाउ मेनी टोटल स्टूडेंट वी हैव? वी हैव 35. Clear? Now as I told you, cut this. As I cut in 15, you have to cut 35. 6 5s are, sorry, 7 5s are 35. Yes. Now dividing this 20 with 5. So 5 4s are 20. I will write remaining numbers which is not divisible. So 4 divided by 7. Clear? अब इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? रेशियो के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. So 4 JM 7. So this is your answer for the question number 1. Very simple and very easy. Write down this one. Now we will solve another question after this. Now students, coming on to the next question, that is question number 2. Okay, so what is question number 2 is about? Let's read the question. So out of 30 students in a class, so there are total 30 students, so I will write here total student is equal to 30. Total student is equal to 30. 6 likes football. तो 6 लोगों को फुटबॉल अच्छी लगती है. तो I will write a football 6 student like. Okay. Then after 12 like cricket. So 12 student like cricket. Clear? Now remaining like tennis. रिमेनिंग लाइक टेनिस. दैट मीन्स हमें बोला नहीं कि टेनिस कितने को लोगों को पसंद है. उन लोगों ने ऐसा बोल दिया डायरेक्टली. दे टोल्ड अस दैट फ्रॉम दिस टोटल स्टूडेंट्स 6 स्टूडेंट लाइक फुटबॉल एंड 12 लाइक क्रिकेट. सो रिमेनिंग फ्रॉम दिस आर लाइक टेनिस. तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? वी विल गेट टू नो बाय एडिंग दिस 6 plus 12. हम दोनों प्लस करेंगे, बाद में इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे. सो 30 minus 6 plus 12, क्योंकि ये दोनों फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट वाले हैं तो उसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा टोटल में से. वी हैव टू माइनस. ओके, सो 30 minus 12, 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So 30 minus 18, that means 2, and it becomes 2 minus 1, that means 1, that means 12. So 12 student like tennis. Clear? This is sign of unit of number of student. So number of 12 student like tennis. Now moving forward, what they asked, question A, find the ratio. As I already explained, A, number of student like football to the number of student like tennis. So you have to find the football to tennis. How many students like football to the number of students like tennis? You have to take the ratio of this. So football is 6 student and tennis is for 12 student. Okay. Now cutting this 12, 6 to the 12. Clear? 6 6 cut. That means 1 by 2 is remaining. So I can write like this 1 jam 2. बहुत ही सिंपल है, ठीक है. B question. Number of student likes cricket to number of total number of student. तो cricket, how many student like, divide by, we have to do total number of student. So total student. So how many total student we have? Cricket, for cricket we have 12. Okay, so I will write 12. And total student I have 30. Yes or no? Now as I told you, cut this and write here 6 5s are 30. Clear? Now dividing this 12 by 6. 12 को हम 6 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 12 5 से डिवाइड होगा नहीं, 6 से डिवाइड होगा तो 6 के बाद में 12 कब आता है? 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. तो 6 cut, 12 cut and write here 2. Now it is not cuttable, so we will write here 2 divided by 5. So it become, first one is 2, so I will write first 2 jam, which is 5 is in denominator, so it become here on the right side. It means my answer is 2 jam 5. Clear student? Now moving on, this is my question number 2. Okay, now moving on, question number 3. See the figure and find the ratio. Here also we have to find the ratio only. So it is also very simple. जैसे पीछे वाला किया वैसे इसमें करना है, ठीक है. रेशियो फाइंड करना है, टोटल दिया होगा और रेक्टेंगुलर स्क्वायर का सब क्वेश्चन फाइंड करना है, ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज इन योर homework. And similarly question 4 is also same to same. So question 4 is also in your homework. Okay, so you have to practice. अगर मैं सब सम्स करवा दूंगा, ठीक है, अगर मैं सबके सम आपको करवा दूंगा, so how you will practice and how you will understand. Okay, so you need to practice. So question 3 and question 4 you have to do it by yourself for your homework. Now moving on to question number 5. Before that, write this much from the board. Now student, coming on to the question number 5 for the exercise number 12.1. So I had written the question on the board. The question is just like that. 15 divided by 15 divided by 18 is equal to dash. Here we have to find the number. Here also we have to find the number and here also we have to find the number. So dash divided by 6 is equal to 10 divided by dash is equal to dash divided by 30. जहाँ जहाँ मैंने क्वेश्चन मार्क किए, where I had make the question mark, that number we have to find. Now how we will find it? So here I will use one trick and that you also used. I will take 2 pair. मैं टू नहीं, एक पेयर लूंगा, मतलब 2 डिजिट लूंगा. I will take 1 pair. First of all I will take this pair. Okay, I will take this pair. So 15 divided by 18 is equal to dash divided by 6. I have to find this. I will take first of all this. Okay, so my answer will be such like that. I will cross multiply it. मुझे ये फाइंड करना है ना, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा. I will cross multiply. So multiplying these both, I am multiplying these both. That means 15 multiplied by 6 divided by 18. You can do yes or no? Okay, let's move. Now we know the 18 table, we know the 6 table, we know the 15 table. So what I will do, I will cut this 18 and I will write 6 3s are 18. So I will write here 6 3s are 18. Clear? Now I cut the 18 and write 6 3s are 18. Clear? Cutting 6 6. Yes or no? Cut. Now 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. So 3 5s are 15. So my answer is 5. So in place of question mark, I will write here, in place of question mark, I will write here 5. So my answer is, therefore, I can write 15 divided by 18 is equal to 5 divided by 6. This is my first pair. Okay, this is my first pair. Now solving second question. In second question I will take this both. ये मुझे फाइंड हो गया ना, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख दूंगा 5. क्या लिखूंगा? 5 लिख दूंगा. सो ये अब मैं इसको और इसको लूंगा, ठीक है. ये तो मुझे मिल गया, इसलिए ये मेरा हो गया सेकेंड वन. सो आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस, 5 divided by 6 is equal to 10 divided by question mark. Yes, similarly what I had done here, you have to do it here. Cross multiply. So 5 multiplied by question mark, that means if any number multiplying by question mark, that should become in division. You have to write in down, and the number which is multiplied with other number, similar here 6 and 10, that you should write there upside. Clear? Now see here. Here is 5, so 5 ones are 5 only, so no need to cut 5. So 10 is divisible by 5. Yes, but 6 is not divisible by 5. That means I can write here 5 to the 10. Yes or no? So it becomes 6 to the 12. So I can write here in place of question mark, I can write here 10 divided by 12. मैं यहाँ पे 10 divided by 12 लिख सकता हूँ. अब भी देखिए यहाँ पे क्या होगा. अभी मैं उसको कट करना चाहूँ तो कट और ये हो सकता है. कैसे होगा देखिए. This is my main answer. Okay, if I want to cut more, so I can cut it like this. 10 divided by 12, that means 5 to the 10, 2 6 the 12. That means my answer is 5 divided by 6. So is 10 equal to 12 is also equal to 5 divided by 6. ये भी मैं लिख सकता हूँ. 10 divided by 12 को मैं 5 equal to 6 लिख सकता हूँ. इतना समझ में आया आपको? तो मुझे पता चल गया 15 is equal to 18 मिला, is equal to 5 by 6. 10 divided by 12. अब 10 के नीचे मुझे पता नहीं था क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह पे क्या आएगा, तो मैंने 12 लिख दिया. तो अब इसको मैं और सोल्व करूंगा तो मेरा 5 by 6 हो जाएगा. Now taking third pair. So here my answer is 12. Now taking another pair, that is this third pair. So what is my third pair? 10 divided by 12 is equal to question mark divided by 30. Yes, let's solve. As I told you, cross multiply this. So it becomes 10 multiplied by 30 divided by 12. Now we know the table of 12 is 6 to the 12. Or else I can 6 to the 12. Okay. Now 10 is divisible by 2. Yes. So I will divide 2 5 are 10. Now this 30 is divisible by 6, so 6 5 are 30. Yes or no? So remaining answer is 5 5 are 25. So in place of question mark I can write here 25 divided by 30. ये मेरा आंसर हो गया. नाउ मैं इसको और सिंपल तरीके से लिख सकता हूँ जैसे मैंने इसको किया था. ठीक है. सो आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस 25 divided by 30. So 5 5 are 25 and this 5 cut 6, so 6 5 are 30. So I can write directly 5 divided by 6. So 25 divided by 30 is equal to 5 divided by 6. So in place of 25 divided by 30 I can write 5 divided by 6. अब देखिए यहाँ पे 5 divided by 6, 5 divided by 6 and 5 divided by 6 all have same answer. all have 5 divided by 6 same answer. So I can say that these ratio are equivalent. इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा गया ना, are these ratios equivalent? Are these equivalent ratio? तो yes, this is the equivalent ratio because all the answer are 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Clear? Now students, before moving on question number 6, complete this much. Students, now coming on to the question number 6 for this exercise 12.1, find the ratio following. As I told you, what is the ratio? अभी तक हम रेशियो सॉल्व करते आ रहे हैं. We have to find the ratio. The first question is A, 81 to 108. Okay, so 81 should be up because it's first. Divide by 2, 108. That means 108. Now I have to solve this. मुझे इसको बहुत simple कर देना है. So how I will divide? Yes, I know the table of 81. That is 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Clear? Now, is it 9 is divisible by, 108 is divisible by 9? Let's see. Here, 108 divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9. And here will be the 1 and 8. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. Yes. So 9 12s are 108. ऐसे करके देख लेना है आपको, ठीक है, तो आपको मिल जाएगा 9 12 से 108. Now here my answer is 9 divided by 12. और ये सिंपल हो सकता है, हाँ हो सकता है, करते हैं इसको. 3 3s are 9. Is it 12 is divisible by 3? Yes. 3 4s are 12. Clear? Right here 3 4s are 12. Now is it possible to solve more? No, it is not possible. So I can write directly that 3:4 is our answer. Clear student? So this is question number 6A question. वैसे ही B, C और D उसी तरीके से करने हैं. You have to do it by yourself in your homework for your practice. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे नहीं तो दिक्कत हो सकती है आगे जाके. So coming on question number 7. So what is question number 7 here? See here, question number 7 is similar to question number 6 only. But here what happened? They changed the unit. See here, first question is 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. ठीक है, अब as I told you that when we are taking the ratio, the unit should be same for both the comparing value. So here is minute, here is hours. So it is not possible to take the ratio. So first of all, we will convert this hour into minute. Okay. So how we will convert? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Yes or no? So we have 1.5 hour. So how much minutes? So we have to multiply this 1.5 with 60. So we can get to know that we get this thing. So 30 minutes is equal to, it become 1.5 multiplied by 60 we have to do. So now we can write like this, 1.5 into 60 minute. Now we have to take the ratio. See how we'll take the ratio. See here, 30 divided by 1.5 multiply by 60. Clear? Now 0 0 will be cut. Now 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 2s are 6. Now right here, 1 divided by 1.5 multiply by 2 is our answer. Yes or no? Okay, moving forward. Now here is a decimal. So one thing you have to keep your mind, you have to remove this decimal. How you will remove? Taking this point onto the right side. मैं कहाँ पे ले जाऊंगा, राइट साइड में लेके जाऊंगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है. सो इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस नंबर ऑन द राइट साइड, दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो 1. It become 15 multiply by 2 multiply by 10 raised to -1. जितने भी पॉइंट में आगे लेके जाऊंगा राइट साइड में, तो मैं 10 रेज टू माइनस कर दूंगा. कुछ भी मैंने एक पॉइंट आगे लिया, मैं 10 रेज टू -1 कर दिया. नाउ सी हियर. तो अब नाउ टेकिंग दिस 10 रेज टू -1 ऑन टू द न्यूमरेटर, मैं कहां ले जाऊंगा, ऊपर लेके जा रहा हूं. सो 10 रेज टू -1 क्या हो जाएगा, 10 रेज टू 1 हो जाएगा. डिवाइड बाय 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. Okay, now if I want to write 10 raised to 1, it's okay. If I don't want to write, that means I will remove. अगर 10 raised to 2 होता तो मैं लिखता, अगर 10 raised to 1 है नहीं लिखूंगा तो चलेगा. Now see, yes, 10 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2, so I will cut this 2 and cut this, and it become 5 2s are 10. Now 5 and here is 15. So see, 5 divided by 15. So 15 is divisible by 5. Yes. 5 3s are 15. So it become 1 divided by 3. Now it is possible to divide more? No. So I will write directly 1 Jem 3 is our answer. बहुत ही सिंपल है. आपको सिर्फ डिवीजन करना है, आपको टेबल आने चाहिए उसके लिए, और डिवाइड करना आना चाहिए. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड नो द टेबल्स एंड हाउ टू डिवाइड द नंबर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. बहुत आसान, मैं बहुत इजी सिंपल से आपको करा रहा हूँ. आपको सिर्फ ध्यान से देखना है इसको, ठीक है, और प्रैक्टिस करने में बहुत ज्यादा सम्स की, जितने में होमवर्क दिया हो तो सब करना है आपको, ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द बी क्वेश्चन. हियर इज अ 40 सेंटीमीटर टू 1.5 मीटर. तो आपको क्या करना है, सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देना है, ठीक है, मीटर को. सो 1.5 कितना हो जाएगा, 1.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 हो जाएगा. सो इट बिकम 150 सेंटीमीटर. देन यू हैव टू सोल्व दिस. सेकेंड, दैट इज 55 पैसा टू 1 रुपीस. सो 55 पैसा है और 2 डिवाइड कैसे करना है, 1 रुपीस से करना है. सो 50 पैसा अलग है, रुपीस अलग है. तो 1 रुपीस इज इक्वल टू 100 पैसा. दैट मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ 1 रुपीस यू विल राइट 100 पैसा. ओके, तो 55 पैसा डिवाइड बाय 100 पैसा. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, 500 ml टू 2 लीटर. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 500 ml को 2 लीटर से रेशियो लेना है. तो 2 लीटर को ml में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 करना पड़ेगा. सो आई थिंक आई शुड डू दिस सम फॉर यू. 2 sum you will do, yes, and 3rd sum I will do for you. See, so before that write this much. Now students, as I told you that question number D I will solve for you, and B and C you will solve by yourself as I explained you. Now I have to convert this 2 liter into milliliter. Okay, so it become like this. 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 किया है. अगर मुझे इफ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट लीटर इनटू मिलीलीटर, सो आई विल कन्वर्ट इट बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 1000. क्लियर? सो इट बिकम देयरफॉर 50 ml is equal to 2000 ml. Yes or no? Now we have to take the ratio. So it become 500 divided by 2000. Is it possible? Yes, possible. 1 0 1 0 cut, 1 0 1 0 cut. That means now 5 divided by 20 remain. 5 divided by 20. Is it divisible? Yes. Okay, 20 is divisible by 5. How? 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. That means I will cut 5, I will cut 20, and I will write 4. So my answer here is nothing. On the numerator, that means 1 divided by is 4 only. So my answer is 1 Jem 4. Clear? It is very simple. I am explaining with very basic method and very simple method. आपको बुक में इसी तरीके से समझा नहीं हो, बहुत गड़बड़ तरीके से दिया होगा. I am explaining with very basic way. Okay, so students, I had completed question number 7. Now what is question number 8? So in a year Seema earns 1,50,000 and save 50,000. Yes, हमें क्वेश्चन 8 में क्या दिया है, सीमा वो अर्न कर रही है, मतलब उसको मिल रहे हैं 1,50,000 एंड सी सेव, मतलब उसमें से वो बचा के रखती है खुद के लिए 50,000, तो कहीं ना कहीं स्पेंड करती होगी, मतलब खर्च करती होगी। तो क्या करना है, 1,50,000 माइनस 50,000 करना है। दैट मीन्स सी इज स्पेंडिंग 1 लाख, वो 1 लाख रुपया खर्चा करती है, ठीक है। तो उसमें से आपको मिल जाएगा। देन यू हैव टू फाइंड मनी दैट सीमा अर्न टू द मनी सी सेव। रेशियो लेना है, कितने अर्न कर रही है, कितने सेव कर रही है, डिवाइड करना है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कैसे किया था, जैसे गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज वाले में, वैसे ही दिस सम्स इज सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ओनली, ओके। So you can do it by yourself. It's your for homework. You have to practice these sums. You have to practice as possible as much, क्योंकि हायर स्टैंडर्ड में आएगा वो। तो जितने आप सोल्व करेंगे, आपको मैं समझाऊंगा, आप सोल्व करेंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है। मैं आपको इजी वे समझा तो दिया है। Question number 9, that is also very simple. Here you have to find the number of teacher to the number of student only. So they give us that total number of teacher 102 and number of student 330. That means 10 divided by 330. Then you get the answer. As I also told you, you have to remember the tables and how to divide the sum. वो बेसिक है, बहुत सिंपल स्टैंडर्ड से आता है। 4th स्टैंडर्ड, 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में, 5th स्टैंडर्ड में आप कर चुके हो। Now 10th sum. This sums also is very simple, that you have to do it by yourself. 8, 9, 10 and 11th one also you will do it by yourself. So 9, 10, 11 and here is 8. This question is for your homework, that you have to do it by yourself. Yes, question number 11 is similar to the question number 2 only, okay। question number 11 question number 2 को ही similar है। So you will do it by yourself, okay students। Now the next sums we will continue with a new video. I will come with a new video and start the remaining sum. Till then I am your Zed sir. Stop this video over here. Bye bye.